Hiya, so I thought I'd try one of these microfibers on a pole, or microfiber on a stick, I don't know, whatever you call it, but there you go, look, that's the brand there. Bought it off at Amazon for £19.95. So, just to show you the features of this, so the microfiber part of it, it might look thick on screen, but it's not overly that thick. I think it would have benefited from being a little bit thicker. Panels that are slightly curved, you know, like a bonnet or roof, it does quite well on. I think when you're sort of trying to go around sort of bumpers and areas like that, it could have benefited from being a lot thicker. It has a lock-in feature, so as it stands at the minute, as you can see, it sort of rotates like that. But just here, you line up the, if I can do it, oh, it's just there, sorry. If you line up the arrows, there you go, it locks it, sorry, into that place, not the camera over in here, it locks it into that place, just like that, which is okay, I guess. Turn that around. Although, I must admit, this bit here, if you're just using it like that, not extended at all, is a little bit close. So you can see this part just here, but just to show you, extended, so it extends, so that's one part of it, and the pole's slightly curved. And then we go over to the next one, you can extend it again, so it's, you know, it's quite a fair size, so it definitely works quite well. If you do a lot of fans, you know, where you're trying to get across to the roof, that's what I primarily bought it for, because I do a few vans where they've got stuff on the roof and it makes it difficult to get to from one side. So I can now use this and do the whole roof from one side, which is a lot easier for me. So that was the main reason why I bought it. But yeah, so I think, say, the microfiber could have been a little bit thicker. I think that would have been brilliant, because then it would get around sort of curvy panels. Right, I'll just take the microfiber part off just to show you. Here is the microfiber now off the pole bit itself. There you go, it just goes, slots in. It's got Velcro, just holds it in. And then just to show you the unit itself, as you can see, look, quite sharp edges there. But the microfiber part itself, it has got a little bit, I think it's probably like a foam backing or something just in here. It's not overly thick though, so you know, it's sort of going up to edges of stuff. You just probably need to be a bit careful, I'm guessing. But I mean, overall, for the purpose that I'm using it for van roofs mainly, obviously you can use it on the screens where they're quite flat, or bonnets, so you can use them on other body panels, but say if it was a bit thicker, it would have worked a little bit better. There we go. Hope you like this review. Ta-da for now.